here at the Bank of America Plaza in Tampa, Florida, and we are going to ride all of these elevators. There are 3 sets, plus on the 41st floor there's an additional elevator that goes up to the 42nd. So you've got all these elevators, all 3 of these banks. Let's start with the high rise. So let's go to 41. We've got elevator H waiting for us. ThyssenKrupp buttons on the inside. And these are pretty fast. The second tallest set of elevators in Tampa.
It's the Lincoln Spring Sales Event at Park Lincoln of Tampa. We have a huge selection of new Lincoln 9-years, 8-years, 9-years, and report there. With our biggest savings of the year, drive the new Lincoln Nautilus from $353 a month.
Here we are at 41. And it's got a voice. Let's go down to lobby. We got car H again. Just to try something out. There's your
security access required.
There's your handicap mode.
Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. Lobby. Going to the lobby. Please proceed to elevator I. First elevator. To your right. Front.
Yeah, there's elevator. Oh no, that's the shuttle. Wait, where's elevator? Elevator I is right here. I need to look at the map. That's the one we're waiting for. And here is the shuttle elevator. We will return to this shortly. Elevator H went down, even though we didn't get in. Again, there's your, it serves as a little bit of a directory because you can see what's on each floor. It's not going to the first floor, it's going to the lobby. Lobby is actually the 3rd floor in this building. There's your inspection certificate. We're going down. We're in the express zone. There's your cabbing. These are some pretty tall cabs. Yeah, we haven't even made it to lobby yet, but announced that we're at the lobby. Now we're almost there. There we are. So we're gonna call it. We're gonna go up to 41 again. Elevator I. You can see it's like a screen that has destinations. The rest are just indicators. So we're going up to 41. Let's watch the TV screen indicator.
Now, obviously, we know there's rules for military and tattoos. That's something that you know about.
But it's shaking a little.
Now, the military member wanted to get a tattoo.
Yeah, that's not my hand shaking. That's the elevator shaking.
Respect for military members is something the company takes very seriously.
Yeah, again, this is the 2nd tallest building in Tampa. The first being 100 North Tampa. Alright. You know, we're going to send this one down. And we're going to ride this shuttle elevator now. I think it's up on 42. There goes the elevator we just rode. And here is your lobby. Floor 41. It's awfully cloudy today, but here's your view of Tampa. Let's go 42. So this is a Schindler M series. This one didn't get modded when all the rest of the elevators did. We're at 42. got the old rails up here on 42. And you know what? Let's get a view of Tampa from the other side, because why not? Yeah, again, it's pretty cloudy out here in Tampa. But it's still a nice day. It's not as hot as it usually would be. Anyway, let's go back down. Listen to the bell. Let's go down the 41, which on the braille it's labeled as P. There's your inspection certificate. There's your cab view. I think we're going to take one more ride on this and listen to the motor. So 41 has newer rails, but 42 does not. 42 still has the original rails. So here we go. We're going to call an elevator down now. There goes this one. We're getting elevator I, which we just wrote actually. Here's elevator I.
We also learned new information about the suspect. The police chief says he may have liquidated at least two.
Let's do a cab view. So again, those are some really tall doors. Like right now, you're looking at my eye level, and I'm about 6 feet tall. So you can see there is a lot of room up there. We're gonna go ride the mid-rise now. Let's go at 31. Elevator O. Huh. Wait, that's M. There's O. Here we go. Also, the day and time is wrong on the indicator. It's actually the 18th, and it is 5:32 p.m. The indicator froze at 22 for a second there. It froze at 27 as well.
31st floor.
31. Let's go to lobby. Oh, again. So it's basically the same cabs as the high rise. We're in the express zone.
Lobby.
We're gonna get another car. So let's send this one up to 31. Elevator L. Oh, the doors are shutting on me. So destination is 31.
To end the pandemic, everyone must have equal access to affordable and timely testing, with fast turnaround time for results, to identify infections and reduce community spread. The guidance also says antibody testing is not currently recommended to assess for immunity to COVID-19. The White House says it's in talks with other countries to send them doses of coronavirus vaccine. The Biden administration is working to finalize plans to send Mexico 2.5 million doses of the AstraZeneca.
31. Again, I like the voice. Let's go to lobby. L again.
Not linked to an overall increase in the risk of blood clots, and its benefits outweigh its risks. More than a dozen groups.
Funny how we're going to L and we are on car L.
Triggering a safety review. Regulators, however, could not definitively.
So there's your cab view.
Between the vaccine and rare types of blood clots, the U.S. has not yet.
It's basically the same cab as the high-rise.
7 million doses. A group of neighbors in Polk County putting their stimulus checks together for a good cause. It's to help a woman whose home has been infested with rodents. That's your baby son.
Oh, and check that out. Elevator Q is turned off. Anyway, there it goes. We're gonna go ride the low rise now. Elevator K on the high rise is turned off too. Interesting. D. Elevator F and elevator E are turned off. So we're going to 17.
To correct. She brought enough rat poisoning and cases to kill 150 rats. And they're still dying, and it's been almost 2 weeks. The grimy rodents are relentless, and I told the snowman.
So as you can tell, the lobby is the 3rd floor of this building.
Across the street in Tacoma, a building, and when they took that building down, it just, they all came over here. Her grandson, her daughters, they've all gotten exterminators.
Here we are at 17.
17th floor.
We're gonna go down to, I'm pretty sure there's security on 1, so we're gonna go to 2. And now we've got elevator B. We're going to 2.
So far, the GoFundMe has raised over $4,000. And I'm told by the family they received hundreds more in cash. What are you hoping for? A clean house, no rats, a safe place to live. That doesn't seem like too much to ask. I hope not. In Polk County, Ashanti Board, that's what they do now. Well, the election for governor in Florida is more than a year and a half away. There's already speculation about which Democrats could challenge GOP.
Oh, okay, so only elevators A, B, and C serve 2. D, E, and F. Yeah, D, E, and F don't even come to this floor. Huh. Yeah, you see, it's just a wall. We're going up now from 2. We're headed back to 17.
He thinks there's room for a centrist-oriented candidate to battle the growing number of voters who choose each year to register as an independent, shutting the Democratic and Republican parties.
I think we could run an independent campaign that recognizes sometimes the answers are on the left, sometimes on the right, sometimes in the middle.
If Jolly decides to go ahead with this, the odds are formidable. The last
Here we are at 17. We're going to end it down at lobby. Car B again, as expected.
He says that Jolly's ambition can center around building support for a viable third party.
Here's your cab view, even though they're literally, this cab is literally the same as like all the other elevators here, except for the M series, the shuttle elevator.
In fact, Jolly's executive chairman of the Serve America Movement, or SAM, which describes itself
Here's your inspection
for
certificate.
Americans tired of choosing between the lesser of two evils.
I'm not interested in just running for office and either becoming a spoiler or just having a non-viable.
All right. There it goes. And that'll be it.